Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the basics ready: Homepod and iPhone on the same Wi-Fi. Open YouTube Music and pick what you want to play. Once selected, swipe into Control Center and tap the AirPlay icon. Choose your Homepod. If the AirPlay icon isn't visible, tap the audio card to reveal output options. Doing this streams audio over AirPlay rather than trying to pair via Bluetooth, which preserves better quality and lets Homepod handle volume and Siri while the phone remains free. Once AirPlay is active, control your cue and song quality from YouTube Music. Make sure the app's streaming quality is set to your preferred level to avoid dropouts. Use the iPhone for quick track changes and the HomePod or Siri for hands-free volume control and pauses. If you want to transfer playback entirely to HomePod, use handoff by bringing your phone close to the top of the speaker. This hands control to HomePod while keeping the stream via AirPlay intact. To finish, either pause in YouTube Music or open AirPlay and switch output back to iPhone. The HomePod will stop playing. If you hear no audio, make sure both devices are on the same network, that AirPlay shows HomePod is selected, and that YouTube Music has permission to use local network. If problems persist, reboot the HomePod or iPhone, then try again. A restart often clears stubborn AirPlay handshake issues and restores reliable playback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.